Want to go to Frankfort, Garth?
I'm gonna go take a quick swim in Lake Michigan. Ooh, chilly. Shake it off. Where am I? Where'd TJ go? I may have swam a bit too far. Now I gotta find TJ. If I was a human in Frankfurt, where would I be? People like shopping. There's a lot of shops here. This may take a while. I wonder what's showing tonight. Maybe he's gone fishing. Whee! I love playgrounds. Wait, what was I doing again? Oh yeah, TJ! All this running around is making me thirsty. Refreshing. Come to think of it, I'm getting pretty hungry too. Cheeseburgers sound good. And now to wash it down with an ice cold beer. Good thing my ID is in dog years. It's getting late. Wait, I know where TJ likes to go when it gets late. It's a long walk, but if I follow M22, I'll find it. It's the best place to watch the sunset. Point Betsy Lighthouse. He's got to be here somewhere. TJ!
Garth, I knew you'd find me here, buddy.
I missed you.
I missed you too, bud. I guess we'll have to visit Frankfurt together another day.
Okay, I like this place.